Oh, we switched. We switched teams. Now we're...
Quit shooting me!
Yeah.
I'm purple. I want to make new friends.
Team cunt for the win.
Oh, did it go through? Oh, it did. It went through.
Did it go through? Yeah, it did.
It went through.
Oh, hold on a minute. I'm stuck behind the barrier still.
Oh, are you?
That corner.
I don't know how to
Do
get
you
out.
have,
Do you know how to get out, Artie?
The experience jingle in your ear?
Nope.
Okay, go to the back right corner, climb up, and then shimmy your way out.
Back right corner. Climb up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just keep wiggling the joystick.
Shrinking in 60 seconds.
You can actually
I'm
get out that
serious.
way?
No,
Yeah.
don't work. It's not working. I'm fucking.
Purple, over
What the
here on
fuck is-
Artie. Turn around. Come here. Come over
Okay.
here.
Was it the right
I didn't
corner?
realize I was
Jiggle the
muted. I'm over
joystick
here
for him.
yelling for you to come help.
Artie's gonna jiggle the joystick for him.
I'm not jiggling your joystick. I'm sorry. This is
Why
a
not?
solo. Right here. You see how you can see me? Come around. Come around. Right here. Now come towards me. Come towards me. Up.
Yep.
It just sounds funny because I don't see
And
it.
then
not
you
working.
gotta
I
wiggle.
can't
You
get
gotta
up.
do what they say. Wiggle your joysticks up and out. Over here.
That's what I told him to do. She's over here laughing.
What joystick?
The joysticks, the ones that make you move forward.
Funny.
Come here.
I'm doing it. It's not
Pull
working.
yourself.
I can't.
Pull yourself here.
What?
Okay.
Go away.
Keep coming. Come on. Keep moving.
I got it. I got it. I got it.
Dad, we're gonna die.
I'm so
Come on,
tight. This is tight.
Chill.
Is this serious? Are you fucking
Come
serious?
on.
Oh,
Come
it's
on. Yes. You got out. I'm gonna die.
Stop
I'm
it.
gonna die. I'm gonna die. I got out, but I'm
I
gonna...
can't see
Come
anything
on,
in my
I'm
mask.
gonna
I have so many
die.
tears.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
It's
I
alright.
just
You
died.
can fly
This is
with me.
ridiculous.
Come on.
I'm coming to get you guys.
Thank you.
What just happened? What the fuck
Can't
just
see
happened?
anything.
I felt
Y'all
like you just
died.
gave birth to me. You just gave birth to me.
Oh my god.
And I am gay. I do not come out of or go into vaginas.
It's
Okay?
alright. I don't want you in mine. It's good. We're good.
Fishy,
Alright,
we're
well,
coming to your
World King,
vagina.
World King.
That's okay.
Oh my god, it was so fucking funny.
All right. I mean, that's okay that you're
Thank you.
coming over here. Don't talk about my vagina.
Two on King. Two on King.
Jill. Are you okay? Are you? Can you
I
breathe?
just
Can you breathe?
Making me
can't
laugh and I
see
can't
anything.
see.
I have so many tears.
Okay, now I can see. To stop that.
What the heck happened? I seriously.
I don't know what happened. That was
I
crazy.
literally.
It's because you guys friended right before. It glitched you out.
Right,
Yeah, so what you're gonna have to
okay.
do is
Yeah.
after this game, you're gonna have to exit the lobby and come back in. We'll invite you back in.
That's what you get for making friends.
I knew she was a bad friend. I was like,
my
should I be
God.
friends with somebody like that that's perfect? No, I shouldn't.
Oh my god.
I can't see out of
Oh,
one eye.
I can't hold my tongue. I'm all fucked up.
If you had just heard it, it was
Yeah, it was a bit. Yeah.
Oh god, my whole
Coming
game is
for
a
you,
bit
King.
weird. My whole game is a bit
was that?
weird.
I'm coming for you.
Oh God,
Yeah.
you guys are all listening to that
Got
shit.
ganged up
Funny.
on. They didn't even ask me. They just took it.
I'm gonna die. It's okay.
Who is here? King.
Well, I already died, so it's okay.
I was
You're in a
recording
better
that
position
too,
than me.
so we got
Oh
that.
God.
Oh shit.
Who's King? Asadia.
Where did
Take
you
it, bud.
die?
I died
Why?
all the way over here.
But why?
Okay.
Shut your mouth. This is the funniest thing I've ever done. I literally, I'm not married. I want to marry you all.
Shit, fish, dude. This guy, remember?
You know what? We can be sister wives. And
Yes.
God.
let's do
Have you
this.
seen
and
that
brother
show?
husbands.
It's crazy.
Sister wives
Yeah,
and brother
100%.
husbands. We can do it.
Yeah, how come there's not brother husbands? Oh, we'll have to pause this conversation for a second. I'm getting
Yeah,
shot at.
let's pause it.
Yeah, they were all over there. That's where I died.
Yeah. You
good to know.
got
It was so funny. I gotta clean my headset when I'm done because I can't really see.
Keep us abreast. You know what I'm saying?
That was so funny.
Of the situation. Who's throwing
Told
shit?
me to take inside and Bobby inside.
I'm
And
throwing
then-
shit at him.
Situation. It's a little bit dire at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Motherfuckers, come out and play.
Motherfuckers. Already ask. Ah! I was gonna say ask Herky about motherfuckers.
Oh, I'm trying to
He's
shoot him with
not
a
allowed to
friggin' thing.
Why?
That sound weird.
Oh, this sound is one weird now.
Oh, you got whacked!
Sounds one weird. The whole game's going weird for me. Oh, sheesh.
Careful, there's one right there. There's one right there in the zone.
There you go.
I'm gonna fuck him up for you.
Not leaving you behind, Jill.
Wait, how are
Oh,
they
they're
all
inside.
res? They gotta be in
They're
there.
inside. They're
Yeah.
inside.
Just prepare for killing.
It's 4 left.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Dig it.
I was trying to get a banana.
Banana.
But I saw a
Do you
gun.
see them anywhere near you?
No, they were in. Oh,
They're right on my body.
they're not making it.
Well, right near my body. There's someone dying. He's in the zone.
They're not gonna make it out.
Nope, right here. Right here. Jumping over into Defiance now.
There's no way.
See him flying down
Yeah,
by
I
that
see
little
him.
theater thing.
Come on, okay. I've got no health.
I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
We get
Sorry,
whacked
Joey.
inside the zone.
I mean, I did do some damage before I died.
That's
Didn't kill
good.
anybody.
The storm kill all the team, bro.
Alright, I gotta
Shit.
clean my headset. Give me a minute.